Paris CDG is the widest platform in Europe, with 2 sets of parallel runways and multiple lineups and crossing opportunities. Runway safety is therefore one of the platform's utmost challenge. With an average of 700 runway crossings per day, it can happen that due to an error or a misunderstanding, a runway incursion may occur. Reducing further this most significant safety threat on a platform needs today new solutions. For this purpose, the runway status lights system has been implemented at Paris CDG, a first in Europe. For passengers and crew's safety, it is essential to understand how RWSL works. Air France 849 Alpha Bravo is on final 27 right.
Air France 726 Charlie Lima from Quebec 5, line up runway 27 left and wait. From Quebec 5, line up and wait, runway 27 left, Air France 726 Charlie Lima. Air France 849 Alpha Bravo, short of runway 27 left, holding point Kilo 2.
Holding short of runway 27 left, holding point Kilo 2, Air France 849 Alpha Bravo.
726 Charlie Lima, wind 270 degrees, 6 knots, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff, Air France 726 Charlie Lima.
The runway entrance lights will extinguish in advance as the departure is moving along the runway. When you'll be at a holding point waiting to cross, the system is set to turn off these runway entrance lights 3 seconds before the departing aircraft goes past you. Wait for ATC clearance.
Air France 819 Alpha Bravo, cross runway 27 left, after crossing contact ground 121.775.
RWSL should not be confused with follow the greens, like used in London Heathrow or Dubai. It should not be confused with controlled stop bars during low visibility conditions. Indeed, at 90 meters from the centerline, the RWSL system is a fully automatic and independent system. On the contrary, the control stop bars located 150 meters from the runway centerline are manually deactivated by the controller. Let's move on to a more complex scenario involving multiple crossings, lineups, and takeoff.
Air France 726 Charlie Lima from Quebec 5, line up, runway 27 left and wait, number 2 for departure, behind 320 from Quebec 4. From Quebec 5, line up runway 27 left and wait, number 2 for departure, behind Airbus 320 from Quebec 4, Air France 726 Charlie Lima. Swiss 63 Juliet, cross runway 27 left via...
Numerous aircraft are crossing the runway at its far end. The takeoff hold lights are on. Air France 654 Quebec India is cleared to line up from Quebec 4. He will take off in front of Air France 726 Charlie Lima. The THL will extinguish as soon as Air France 654 Quebec India is about to lift off. RWSL is not only a system dedicated to aircraft, but also to all moving vehicle on the platform equipped with a transponder.
Air France 726 Charlie Lima, wind 270 degrees, 6 knots, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff, Air France 726 Charlie Lima.
For safety purposes, all platform vehicle will always stop at the Cat 3 holding point.
4 from Quebec 2, cross runway 27 left, report runway vacated.
For vehicle drivers, the objective of RWSL remains the same. RWSL is a direct warning, critical at a time when every second matters. The motto to remember? Red on I stop, red off I wait for ATC clearance. Flight safety, our priority.